Decodable texts are a powerful tool for beginning readers because they align with students' phonics knowledge and offer controlled opportunities to apply decoding skills. To use these texts effectively, it's essential to focus not just on decoding, but also on building fluency, accuracy, and confidence. Here's how to guide that process step by step. First, begin by modeling fluent reading. Here we set students up for success with modeling what fluent reading looks and sounds like. Choose a short section of decodable text and read it aloud to the class. As you read, use clear expression and natural pacing. Point to each word as you read to reinforce left-to-right tracking and one-to-one correspondence. Pause briefly before unfamiliar or challenging words and think aloud. For example, let me show you how this works with bake a cake. Here's a word I don't know right away. Let me sound it out. B-l-a-d. Blade. That makes sense. I know blade is a part of a knife, and they are using the blade to trim the top of the cake. This helps students internalize both the process of decoding and the goal of fluent reading. Throughout the reading, be sure to emphasize accuracy and automaticity. The ultimate goal of reading decodable texts is not to have students sound out every word forever, but to move towards accurate and automatic word recognition. To support this, encourage students to decode unfamiliar words using phonics skills, but prompt them to reread the word smoothly once it's decoded. Acknowledge correct attempts, but gently correct errors to reinforce accurate reading. For students who are stuck, offer scaffolded support. For example, let's try this together. What sound does the A silent E make in this word? Right, A. Now blend it with the other sounds. Model rereading the full sentence once the word is correctly decoded to show how comprehension and fluency go hand in hand. Also, encourage rereading for fluency. Most decodable texts are not a one-and-done reading. Rereading is key for building fluency and reinforcing decoding. After a first pass through a paragraph or short section, ask students to reread it aloud, either chorally, in pairs, or independently. Encourage smoother reading on the second pass, now that the words are more familiar. For repeated practice, assign a sentence or short passage for echo reading or fluency partner practice. Each rereading helps solidify high-frequency and decodable words in memory, leading to more automatic recognition. Lastly, provide real-time feedback. As students read, circulate and listen carefully to individual readers. Give immediate, specific feedback like positive reinforcement. Great job noticing that silent E and reading bike correctly. Corrective prompts. Let's look at that word again. What sound does AI make? Praise fluent rereads. I love how you went back and reread that sentence smoothly. That sounded like real reading. This feedback helps students self-monitor and stay engaged in the reading process. When used intentionally, decodable texts serve as a bridge from phonics instruction to fluent, confident reading. The key is to balance support and independence. This is done in the following ways: modeling fluent expressive reading with tracking, demonstrating decoding and encouraging smooth rereading, focusing on accuracy and automaticity, support decoding, but aim for eventual word recognition. Encourage rereading to build fluency and reinforce patterns, and providing real-time specific feedback to guide growth. With consistent practice and thoughtful support, students will not only decode, but also understand and enjoy what they read.